Right, so this next song is I Will Look Up. It is very interesting song, rhythm-wise. We rarely use this kind of rhythm, but it is good to learn because it gives a sense of drive, and it's very catchy also, the rhythm. So there are two basic rhythms that you can use interchangeably, whichever that you feel easier, or if you can do both, then you can, kind of change it one verse to the next, or you can use one in the chorus and another one in the verse. But the basics are the same between the two rhythms. So this is slowed down. Rhythm number one is, right? So let me slow it down. Okay, that's the first half of the rhythm of the first rhythm. Okay, the second half is, okay, and let me go through it again slower. This is the whole thing of rhythm type 1. Okay, so there's a lot of syncopation there. Let me do that again really slow. Okay, now that's type 1. Now type 2 is a little bit different, but again it's the same feel, the same basics. Here it goes. See, the second half of the rhythm is the same, it's just the very first half. Right, the first two beats aren't syncopated, and they are together. Right. Okay, slowed down. Okay, so that two types of rhythms, again, you can use interchangeably. You can use all sorts of variation, right? And I like to use double snare here from time to time. So it sounds like this. If you want to add it, I use these two fingers. Okay. Right. It may be a little bit tricky at first, but yeah, keep practicing, and it sounds like this. Full speed, normal speed. Right, slow it down. Okay, so in this song I also want to introduce another way to play soft bridge. So usually in many songs we usually just leave it, the soft bridge. We repeat the bridge 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and then the first bridge is just soft. We can play something like this, or sometimes we just keep the tempo. This is another way to do soft bridge, and that is just with this snares. It is good for a song that's kind of marching style, that you want it, the song is driven feeling, so you can use that. Okay, let's just do it again really slow for the bridge, Prince of Peace. Yeah.
My
So yeah, if you as you build up, you can move here and you can start playing more of this. And then when you actually start building up towards the climax, then you can add the bass as well. So there you go. It's another way to build up from very soft bridge.